at how you can add new contacts when a message is received in HubSpot using Vira. So on HubSpot contacts, go to any contact. Navigate to the Vira CRM card and open the Vira dashboard. Click on the hamburger menu. Go to settings. And you simply just have to toggle the new contact field right here. And you will be able to automatically create that contact in HubSpot if a message is received from it. If, however, you have turned off the auto contact creation, then you can simply come to the Vira dashboard and every new message that comes will show up at the topmost. You can simply add them from there also.